अब हम शुरू कर रहे हैं अगला वीडियो, इसमें 251 से 350 तक हम चलेंगे। और ये बीपीएससी लोअर पीसीएस के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिवीजन सीरीज़ है, तो आप इसको 2x पे देख सकते हैं आराम से। ठीक है, मैं सीधा क्वेश्चन पढ़ूंगा और आंसर बोलूँगा, कोई बाधा उत्पन्न नहीं होगी बीच में। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अंडर द VBG Ramji bill recently introduced in Parliament, how many days of the statutory employment guarantee have been provided to the rural families in a year? 125 days. Which submarine of Indian Navy has been decommissioned after 40 years of the service? INS Sindhu Ghosh. Whom did the Sultan Haytham bin Tariq of Oman recently honor with the highest civilian honor, the Order of Oman? Narendra Modi. Who became the most expensive foreign player in the IPL history at the IPL 2026 auction held in Abu Dhabi? Cameron Green. Which country did the India defeat in the final of the Squash World Cup 2025 held in Chennai to win the title of for the first time? Hong Kong, China. Which railway station was honored with the National Energy Conservation Award 2025 by the Draupadi Murmu? मियाना रेलवे स्टेशन। नेशनल एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन अवार्ड 2025 मिला है मियाना रेलवे स्टेशन को। विच स्टोरी टेलर हैज़ बीन अनाउंस टू रिसीव द इफ्को साहित्य सम्मान 2025? मैत्रेयी पुष्पा. हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू चीफ इंफॉर्मेशन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया? Rajkumar Goyal. Where has Indian Postal Department recently launched the country's first Gen Z themed post office? IIT दिल्ली। Gen Z themed post office कहाँ खुला है सबसे पहला? IIT दिल्ली में खुला है, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पोस्ट में खुला है। Which state government has honored the renaming of its rural employment scheme Karma Shri to Mahatma Shri, West Bengal? Where was the second WHO Global Summit on the Traditional Medicine recently held? New Delhi. Second summit थी, पहली नहीं है। Where was the first? Where was the fifth joint military exercise Hari Mau Shakti 2025 recently organized between armies of India and Malaysia? Bikaner, Rajasthan. Who has been honored by the best global bank of the year 2025 by the Banker magazine? DBS Bank, Singapore. In which place in India has 70-foot tall iron statue of the Argentina superstar footballer Lionel Messi been unveiled? Kolkata. Where was the 20th session of the UNESCO Intergovernmental Committee hosted? Red Fort, New Delhi. The Union Cabinet recently approved a bill to rename the Manrega to Puj Bapu Gramin Rozgar Yojana and to increase the guaranteed employment from 100 days to how many days? 125 days. How the Union Cabinet was approved a bill to create a new regulatory body for higher education to replace the UGC. What is the name of the new regulator? Higher Education Commission of the India. Who was honored with the Golden Globes Horizon Award at the Red Sea International Film Festival held in Jeddah? Alia Bhatt. Where was the commercial service of the India's first indigenous developed hydrogen fuel cell passenger vessel launched? Varanasi. Who has Time magazine named Person of the Year 2025? Architect of the Artificial Intelligence. The Indian Olympic Association has signed a memorandum of understanding with the which country Olympic Committee to share the training and infrastructure in the sports? Italy. In the Men's Junior Hockey World Cup 2025, which team did India defeat to win the bronze medal for the first time? Argentina. Who was been recently given the UNEP Champions of the Earth 2025 award for the climate leadership? Supriya Sahu. नेक्स्ट है विच इंपॉर्टेंट फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ यूनेस्को इंक्लूडेड इन इट्स इंटेंजिबल कल्चर हेरिटेज साइट? दिवाली। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, याद रखिएगा। यूनेस्को ने अपने कल्चर इंटेंजिबल कल्चर हेरिटेज लिस्ट में रिसेंटली किसको ऐड किया है? दिवाली को ऐड किया है। वेयर हैज़ इंडियन पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट अनवेल्ड द इंडियाज फर्स्ट मॉडर्न जनजी पोस्ट ऑफिस? ये जो जनजी पोस्ट ऑफिस है केरला का, ये केरला में कोट्यम में पहली जगह खुला है, स्टेट का फैला। ठीक है, ऐसे कर्नाटका का बेंगलुरु में खुला हुआ है, तो ऐसा है ये। ठीक है। हु हैज़ द टाइम मैगजीन नेम्ड CEO ऑफ द ईयर 2025? नीलम मोहन, CEO ऑफ यूट्यूब। Which IT company has recently announced an investment of the 17.5 billion in AI and skill development in India? which is the largest investment in Asia to date. Microsoft, who is the founder of the Vantara Conservation Center and has been honored with the Global Humanitarian Award for Animal Welfare by Global Human Society for Wildlife Conservation. Anant Ambani, who has been honored by the PETA India as the Person of the Year 2025. Ravina Tandon, to whom did the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh recently dedicate 920-meter long Shok Tunnel to the nation Ladakh. 150th anniversary of which of the following was recently discussed in the parliament? Vande Mataram national song. Who has been honored with the first FIFA Peace Prize 2025 by the global football body FIFA? Donald Trump. पीस प्राइज़ मिला डोनाल्ड ट्रंप को. क्या बात है. द बिहार पुलिस हैज़ अनाउंस्ड द फॉर्मेशन फॉर विच स्पेशल यूनिट एट एवरी पुलिस स्टेशन फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ वुमेन. अभया ब्रिगेड. अभया ब्रिगेड याद रखिएगा, ठीक है. बिहार पुलिस ने शुरू किया है. हर पुलिस स्टेशन पे एक वुमेन सेफ्टी के लिए स्पेशल यूनिट होगी जिसे अभया ब्रिगेड कहा गया है. In its monetary policy committee meeting, the RBI has reduced the repo rate from 5.50 to what? 5.25%. Who participated from the Russian side in 23rd Indian Russian Annual Summit held in New Delhi? Vladimir Putin. Who has become the youngest player in the history of the chess to achieve the FIDE rating? Sarvagya Singh Kushwaha. India launched the Operation Sagar Bandhu to provide the humanitarian assistance to which country affected by cyclone Ditwa, Sri Lanka. In which state in the eastern region has Indian Army started its first community radio station, Radio Dirang, Arunachal Pradesh? What was the central government renamed the new complex containing the Prime Minister office to Seva Tirth? Which world has Oxford University Press chosen as the World of the Year 2025? Rage Bait. Which scientist famously known as the Missile Woman of India has been honored with the 8th Paulus Mar Georgios Award? डॉक्टर टेसी थॉमस. मिसाइल वुमेन ऑफ इंडिया डॉक्टर टेसी थॉमस, जिन्हें 8 पॉलस मार जॉर्जियोस अवार्ड मिला है. इन विच पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक हैज़ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया डिसाइडेड टू सेल इट्स 6% स्टेक? बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. Which of the following which film won the Golden Peacock Award for the best film at the 56th International Film Festival of India 2025? Skin of Youth. Which police station was declared the best police station in the country at DGP, Director General of Police, IGP, Inspector General of Police conference held in Raipur? Gazipur Police Station, Delhi. Recently, the Raj Bhavan, Governor House of which state has been renamed as Lok Bhavan, West Bengal? एक्चुअली राजभवन का नाम बदलकर लोक भवन हर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने कर दिया. यूपी ने भी कर दिया है, केरला, उड़ीसा, महाराष्ट्र, इन लोगों ने भी कर ही दिया है, ठीक है. क्योंकि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स का इस पर रेगुलेशन था, इसलिए सबने नाम बदल के अपना राजभवन से लोक भवन कर दिया है, गवर्नर हाउस का नाम. तो ये याद रखिएगा. वेयर वॉज द लौह व कलाम आयरन एंड पेन? लौह व कलम, लौह व कलम, ठीक है. आयरन एंड पेन. लौह मतलब लोहा हो गया और कलम मतलब कलम हो गई, पेन. म्यूजियम डेडिकेटेड टू फेमस पेंटर एम.एफ. हुसैन इनॉग्रेटेड दोहा, कतर में. बहुत जरूरी याद रखिए. रिसेंटली द 4th स्टील्थ फ्रिगेट ऑफ द नीलगिरी क्लास प्रोजेक्ट 17A was handed over to the Indian Navy. What is its name? INS Taragiri. Recently, President Draupadi Murmu addressed the winter session of which state legislative assembly? Odisha. Who became the most expensive Indian player in the auction of the Women's Premier League 2026? Dipti Sharma. Which India's first private orbital rocket has PM Narendra Modi unveiled? Vikram 1. Very important. Private orbital rocket पहला इंडिया का विक्रम 1. With what theme was 76th Constitution Day celebrated in India on the November 26, 2025? Our Constitution, Our Pride. Recently, the hosting of the Commonwealth Games 2030 has been formally handed over to which Indian city? Ahmedabad. On National Constitution Day 26 November, a statue of which great Indian personality was unveiled at the UNESCO headquarters in Paris, Dr. Baba Sahab Ambedkar, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026, Rohit Sharma, which districts had been declared the country's first AI monitored district, Sindhugarh, Maharashtra, which veteran Indian Hindi film actor popularly known as He-Man passed away recently, Dharmendra. In India, in the Women's Blind T20 World Cup, which country did India defeated by 7 wickets to win the title for the first time? Nepal. In which country did the first eruption of the volcano in 12,000 years disrupt the air travel in the several countries including India, Ethiopia? What was the theme of the G20 Summit 2025 held in the Johannesburg, South Africa? Unity, Equality and सस्टेनेबिलिटी। G20 समिट 2025 की थीम क्या थी? यूनिटी इक्वालिटी एंड सस्टेनेबिलिटी, UES। विच इंडियन इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैव बीन ऑनर्ड विद द ऑनरी डॉक्टर ऑफ साइंस इकोनॉमिक्स डिग्री बाय द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लंदन? कुमार मंगलम बिरला। विच न्यू बेस ईयर हैज़ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड द प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्रपोज्ड फॉर न्यू GDP सीरीज टू रिलीज इन फरवरी 2026 ईयर 2022-23? नया बेस ईयर मिल गया हमें जीडीपी के लिए 2022 और 23। विच इंडियन एयरफोर्स एयरक्राफ्ट क्रश ड्यूरिंग द दुबई एयर शो, इन विच IF विंग कमांडर नमाज सयाल वॉज मार्टरेट? तेजस। फातिमा बांश, who won the title of 74th Miss Universe 2025 held in Thailand, is resident of which country? Mexico. Who became the first leader in a country since independence to be sworn in as chief minister for record 10 time, getting his name registered in the World Book of Record? Nitish Kumar. Important है question. Which great tennis player from the Switzerland has been selected for International Tennis Hall of Fame? Roger Federer. Recently, USA has announced its intention to grant a major non-NATO allied status to which country? Saudi Arabia. Who has been given the Indira Gandhi Prize for the Peace, Disarmament and Development for year 2024? Michelle Bachelet. Which world has been declared World of the year 2025 by the Cambridge Dictionary Parasocial? Recently, the President Draupadi Murmu awarded the first prize for the best state in the 6th National Water Award 2024 to which state? Odisha. What is the India's rank in recently released Climate Change Performance Index CCPI 2026 23rd? रिसेंटली मतलब 23वां रैंक है इंडिया का क्लाइमेट चेंज परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स 2026 में। रिसेंटली इन विच प्लेस हैज़ चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश योगी आदित्यनाथ अनवील्ड द स्टैचू ऑफ द उदा देवी पासी, a हीरोइन ऑफ 1857 रेबेलियन एंड फ्रीडम फाइटर, लखनऊ? उदा देव पासी। UNICEF India has appointed which of the following actors as new celebrity advocate for the child rights and mental health awareness? Kriti Suresh. The product ठाकुर जी की जरी पोशाक from which district of Uttar Pradesh has recently been given a GI tag? Mathura. Ambaji white marble from which state has been officially granted a geographical identification tag? Gujarat. To whom has FIFA awarded the hosting right for Euro 2028 football tournament? UK, England, Scotland, Wales, Ireland. UK को मिला है बेसिकली, UK एंड आयरलैंड को यूरो 2028 फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट अवार्ड, फीफा अवार्ड मिला है। By what name has the Indian Army started a construction of a new military base in Bamuni-Gaon in Dhubari district of Assam near the Bangladesh border? शिवाजी मिलिट्री स्टेशन, सॉरी लचित बोर फुकान मिलिट्री स्टेशन के नाम से शुरू किया। लचित बोर फुकान जो हैं असम के मेजर लीडर रहे हैं। Where has India's newest and the world highest combat capable airbase built by BRO been inaugurated? Neoma, Ladakh. Which state has secured a top position in the first Jal Sanrakshan Jan Bhagidari Award? Telangana. British writer of the Hungarian origin David Sajale has won the Booker Prize for the year 2025 for which novel? Flesh. Where has the 14th joint military exercise UK variant between the India and Maldives held? Thiruvananthapuram. यूक्विवेरीन जो है एक्सरसाइज इंडिया मालदीव्स के बीच में होती है, ये याद रखिएगा। कहाँ हुई? तिरुवनंतपुरम में हुई इस बार। विच स्टेट रिसेंटली कमेंस द इम्पोजिशन ऑफ द ग्रीन टैक्स ऑन द व्हीकल एंटरिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड इस बॉर्डर? उत्तराखंड। तो ग्रीन टैक्स किसने लगाया? उत्तराखंड ने लगाया व्हीकल के ऊपर। फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ इन्वाइटेड द टू प्रिंसिपल लीडर्स ऑफ विच इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एज चीफ गेस्ट फॉर द रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेशन 2026। यूरोपियन यूनियन, वेयर वॉज द सिक्स्थ iteration of the India-Vietnam joint military exercise Winbacks conducted Hanoi, which superstar was honored at the 56th International Film Festival of India 2025 to commemorate the completion of his illustrious 50 years cinematic journey. Rajnikant, which nation was designated as a country of focus at 56th International Film Festival India 2025 held in Goa, Japan? The biennial exercise Garud 2025 was recently conducted between which two nations, India and France? Who has assumed the office as 53rd Chief Justice of India, Justice Suryakant Sharma? Where was the 11th Joint Military Exercise Mitra Shakti 2025 between India and Sri Lanka held? Belagavi, Karnataka. Where is the G20 summit for the year 2025 scheduled to be held? Johannesburg, South Africa. What was the thematic focus of the United Nations Climate Change Conference COP30 held in the Belém, Brazil? Implementation, inclusion and innovation. COP30 हुई है यूएन ट्रिपल सी की क्लाइमेट चेंज कॉन्फ्रेंस जो हुई है बेलम ब्राज़ील में। उसका मकसद, उसका थीम क्या था? इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, इंक्लूजन एंड इनोवेशन, ट्रिपल आई, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, इंक्लूजन एंड इनोवेशन। नेक्स्ट, which Indian naval ship participated in the annual military exercise Malabar 2025 held in the Guam, USA? INS Shahidri. In Bihar Legislative Assembly election result, how many seats out of 243 were secured by the National Democratic Alliance? 202. Which two beaches in Odisha have been awarded the prestigious Blue Flag certification for the year 2025-26? Sunapur and Puri. The Supreme Court has directed the which state to officially notify the Saranda forest area as a wildlife sanctuary? Jharkhand. Two traditional musical instruments from which state, the Tungbuk and Pumtong Pulit, have been granted the geographical identification tag? Sikkim. Next step, which Airbus situated near the Chinese border in the eastern Ladakh has been reactivated by the India Neoma? Which Indian Institute of Technology IIT has launched the nation's first indigenous quantum diamond microscope? Quantum diamond microscope किसने लॉन्च किया है? IIT बॉम्बे ने. Which state has become the first in the nation to fully implement the modified BharatNet project across its entire territory? Punjab. फुल्ली इम्प्लीमेंट मॉडिफाइड भारत नेट प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ सब फुल्ली लग चुका है? एंटायर टेरिटरी पंजाब. विच प्लेबैक सिंगर हैज़ बीन ऑर्डर्ड बाय द गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड 2025 फॉर फैसिलिटेटिंग द कार्डियक सर्जरी फॉर ओवर 3,800 अंडर प्रिविलेज चिल्ड्रन? पलक मुच्छल को मिला है गिनीज वर्ल्ड बुक रिकॉर्ड, प्लेबैक सिंगर है. वॉट इज़ इंडियाज़ रैंकिंग इन द ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट रिस्क इंडेक्स 2025 published by the environmental think tank German Watch? ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट रिस्क इंडेक्स में इंडिया की क्या रैंक है? 15वीं रैंक है. क्लाइमेट चेंज परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स में इंडिया क्या रैंक थी? 23rd थी. तो ऐसे ही आपके 350 क्वेश्चन ख़त्म हो गए. बाकी के बचते हैं 500 क्वेश्चन जो आगे की आने वाली वीडियोस में होंगी, तो बने रहिए.